let's look at this problem. If you guys already uh, got the answer, this one, and for this problem, this one, then you don't have to watch this video. Great job. You can move on to next topic already because you have the basic knowledge to solve any type of complex problems. Okay, and if you got this answer wrong, don't worry at all. We are going to simplify this expression and apply this product rule. So in exams, we don't have to go through stress or difficult time, Okay, let's simplify this. In this video, we are going to master product rule, which is simply derivative of two functions in multiplications. And you can also you can also think of this. I already used different colors to differentiate it, make it easier to see or look at what is going on here instead of just trying hard to memorize this formula, this rule. Okay, you can simply think of this as a times b, right? Derivative of a times b, which is simply what? Which is simply a times derivative of b plus, since we have already taken derivative of b, so we are not going to take another derivative of b. Now we are going to take derivative of a. So derivative of a times b is simply a times derivative of b plus b times derivative of a. Try to um, rewrite this in your own language, how you say it better instead of this looks more complicated, This is more simplified, right? A times b is what? A times derivative of b plus b times derivative of a, just a vice versa. Okay, now as ab, right? This is our a because this whole expression is in parentheses being multiplied by ex, which is different entry, seems to be right. So ab. Okay, and now we have simplified our formula here, which is what? A times b derivative, right? So this is as it is 3x squared minus 5x derivative of e to the x plus, now plus b times derivative of a. B is what? E to the x and derivative of 3x squared minus 5x. Okay, so this is coming as it is 3x squared minus 5x times derivative of e to the x is what? Natural exponential function derivative is simply e to the x plus e to the x times derivative of 3x squared minus 5x. Now you can see this is seems to be what? This is simply differentiation rule. Now this is going to be derivative of 3x squared minus derivative of 5x. You can multiply this with each other and make it simplified. Minus 5x times e to the x plus e to the x. Now derivative of 3x here is what? This is now coming power rule. 2 comes into multiplication with this function x and subtracting minus 1 from the power. So which is 3 times 2 is 6x. Minus derivative of 5x is what? 5 times x is 1, right? So 5 times 1 is 5 and x is what? 1 minus 1 is 0. That is simply 1. So what we have is 3x squared e to the x minus 5x e to the x. Now multiplying this with this parentheses expression, e to the x 6x minus e to the x 5. Correct? So what we have is, it looks like e to the x is common, right? And let's try to organize this in the same, like, coefficient times variable in that pattern, make it easier. Let's take e to the x common now. So we have 3x squared minus 5x plus 6x minus 5. And as you can see, 6x minus 5x is what? Simply x. And this is our answer. Positive plus x 6x minus 5x. So make sure you're paying attention to the signs as well. And here is your answer. Look at number 2 here, this function h of u. And we are going to get this answer by the end of this video. Again, as we are applying this product rule, which is simply a times derivative of b plus b times derivative of a, right? Easy peasy. Okay, let's find the derivative. I forgot this notation here. Okay, a times derivative of b, which is simply the expression here, derivative of and plus b times, which is u plus times derivative of a, u minus square root of u. Okay, already. Okay, let's do this real quick. This is as it is, u minus square root of u times derivative of, now this is what? This is some law here. Derivative of u plus derivative of square root of u. And if you can tell, square root of u is what? Simply u raised to 1 over 2. And when we take the derivative of this, what is this? This is 1 of power comes in multiplication of this variable u plus minus and minus 1 from the power itself. So this is simply what? 1 over 2 u raised to negative 1 over 2, and which is written into under, right? So this is under, that means it's positive, but at top it's negative, and that's what the derivative of this is. So as you can already tell, I can just write this down for you one more time. This is simply what? Derivative of u plus, oh, this is with respect to u, right? So yeah, I mean this should be u here instead of x, and derivative of this plus, this is being multiplied, right? This is in multiplication of a times c, right? So now we are just simplifying this before we actually take the derivative. Same, right? This is difference law. Derivative of a minus b is what? Function x minus function. So again, derivative of u minus derivative of square root of u. Already, here we go. So u minus square root of u multiply by derivative of u is 1, right? Uh, this power is 1, so 1 times u raised to 0 is 1, plus derivative of square root of u, as explained over here, is simply 1 over 2 under square root of u, plus u plus square root of u times derivative of u, again it's 1, this time it's minus 1 over 2 the root of derivative of this, right, explained over here. Okay, now simplify this further, multiply with each other. So this is what? You multiply by this expression first, whole expression in parentheses. So this is u plus u over 2 times this minus square root of u times 1 is this minus square root u over 2 square root u plus, now this expression is being multiplied with each other. So u, this is again u minus u over 2 square root of u plus square root u times 1 is 1. Sorry, square root u minus square root u over 2 square root u. Now, looks like we have some similar expressions here. So negative square root u is cancels out with positive square root u. And this positive is being cancelled out with this. And what we have here is u plus u is what? Okay, u plus u is, we have u plus u minus this u plus u is 2u. This is minus same entities, right? So minus 1 plus 1 is negative 2u over 2u. This is simply cancelling out with each other and we are left with 1. So the answer is 2u minus 1. Thank you for watching.